Tony and Corey here, your Weekend Warriors. Today, we're at the beach.
So this house had a brand new deck put on it. It's got all brand new PT, freshly built, and you'll see they did a few things right. They used all stainless steel hardware, which is what you want to use at the beach. However, Tony, why don't you point out what they did wrong here?
Yeah, you can see they used stainless steel nails to put in the stainless steel hardware, except guess what? They missed that one. That's a regular galvanized nail, and it's already rusted, and that will not last. I guarantee that will just be a hole in the wood pretty soon. There's a lot of salt in the air, the weather is always really bad, super moist, and I'll tell you what, it will absolutely tear up galvanized and regular untreated metal. So stainless steel is the only way to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please check out our social channels right here, our podcast channels here, or tune into the Weekend Warriors radio show every weekend across the Pacific Northwest. This has been another episode of your Parr Weekend Warriors. We'll see you next time.